Look, the vampire comes with like a chain wallet. It's like a sad emo vampire.
Ready, and...
Hey guys, welcome back to Pocket.watch Studios, and today we are going to be unboxing LEGO Minifigurines. This is series 16. There's one LEGO minifigure in each package, and you can collect all of them. See how fun? I like the banana dude. It's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got. Here we go. Yes, it comes with a collector guide. Always love when they come with a collector guide. We've got a pirate. This looks like Mr. Freeze, a devil, banana, a mom and baby. Here we go. Let's see what we got. This looks like we got, it's almost like Robin Hood. Let's say we got the Robin Hood Lego. Let's give him a head. Our Lego Robin Hood has got the facial hair on fleek. All right, let's give him his little mask. All right, now he looks like he's ready to like shoot an arrow. So we got our little Robin Hood Lego mini. Which ones do you want to get? This Ice Queen looks pretty fierce. I'd be kind of excited to get her. All right, let's see. Any guesses, guys? Comment below. Oh, it looks like, that's so cool. We got a pirate. I love pirates. What's the name for a female pirate? Does anybody know? I don't know either. Oh, look at the little anchor tattoo. I love when toys have like come with all that detail. Oh, in the little, you can see the back of the vest and the hair on his chest. Okay, let's give him his bandit hair. Here we go. And to complete the look, obviously, if you're a pirate, you need a sword. Arrgh. I like this one a lot. It comes with the map and the sword. I think that's pretty cool, so you can navigate the seas. Let's see what our last one's gonna be. I'm pretty excited. Moment of truth. Ooh, we got our scary or spooky tales. This is a kind of cool one too. I think it's a vampire, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's a little vampire. Look, the vampire comes with like a chain wallet. It's like a sad emo vampire. Oh yeah, definitely if you're covering one eye with your hair, you're emotional about something. Ooh, and then it comes with his book of spooky tales. I don't know about you guys, but I've never been one to be able to like listen to too many ghost stories. I get so freaked out. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know which ones you've collected. All right, bye guys.